Hey guys, hope you're doing good. So today we have a situation like we booked a load going from it was within Texas. Uh, so it's my driver has 48 feet flatbed and the load was plastic pipes that were 50 feet long. So the broker said it is legal to hang 1 or 2 feet and you can still do the load with the 48 feet, but the driver said he will need the permit for that. I am just curious, like, is it legal to hang 2 feet of the commodity on a flatbed within Texas or anywhere in the US? Your help will be appreciated.